In this video, I'm going to show you how to make stacked words like this here. It's really easy to do. So the first thing you want to do is type out a word, and since Valentine's Day is coming, I decided to use Valentine, okay? And then you can have that have a color. And then you're going to hold Alt, with this selected, hold Alt, left click on it, and drag a copy up here, and then let go of both at the same time. Okay. Then what I'm going to do with this one is turn the color off. Oops. Color to none. And I'm going to leave that black outline. Now I can thicken it if I want to. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is grab the knife tool. And I'm going to click about in the center. And I'm going to hold the shift key so that it goes straight across, okay? And then let go of both at the same time. Then I will select this top half and right click and group it, and then select the bottom half and right click and group that. And then I will move one of these down here, and I'll hold Alt and make a couple more copies. And then I'll select this, hold Alt, bring it down, let go of the mouse, still holding Alt, bring another one down, let go of the mouse. Then I can select them all and come to the position and size, to selection, and line them horizontally, okay? Then we're going to come up to Object, Distribute, Distribute to Selection, okay? Object, Distribute, and then Distribute to Selection should be checked. And then go to space vertically. And that will spread them out evenly. Now, if you think they're too far apart, select one and bring it down a little bit. And maybe this one, bring it up a little bit. Select them all again and align them, okay? And then come back to distribute space vertically. And then it will minimize those spaces. Then what you can do is select all of these black ones, and let's see, let's select everything. Well, I'm not sure what this is. This looks like, let me go to layers, remove empty layers. See, that was an empty layer. All right, so I'm going to actually turn this off, select all, and group that, okay? And then I can turn this one back on. And that's it. Your cut lines, you can see how it's going to cut. And that's how you do it. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or you can find me in the Facebook group that's in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.